Hey everyone, welcome to Chalchitra Talks. मेरा नाम सुमिधा है. Today I want to talk to you about and recommend some of my favorite Coke Studio songs of all times. The songs that I'll be talking about today are very close to me and have stayed with me for a very long time. I love Coke Studio for the wide range of music that it has exposed me to, especially such beautiful and amazing folk and cultural music and their elements. So the first song that I want to mention is called Madari, and this song is from Coke Studio India's season 2. It was featured in the first episode of the season, and this entire episode was produced and composed by the Indian musician Clinton Serijo. I love the intro because it has the mandolin, which in my opinion is what makes the song inviting in the first place. But it's of course Vishal Dadlani and Sonu Kakkar who are the lead singers in this song. It's their voice which makes the song what it is. It is such a power-packed and playful song from the beginning till the end. And personally, my favorite part is when Sonu Kakkar's solo part comes in. It's just so powerful. And this song has never failed to make me feel pumped up and uplifted, especially if I'm feeling low. The next song I want to mention is called Bena, and this song is from Coke Studio India's season 3. This song was also produced and composed by Clinton Serijo. मेरा फेवरेट पार्ट इस गाने का आता है आई थिंक एट अबाउट 2 minutes जब एक ग्रुप ऑफ म्यूजिशियंस स्टार्ट प्लेइंग मंजीरा विच इज़ एन इंडियन परकशन इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड इस पार्ट के थोड़ी देर बाद ही एवरीवन स्टार्ट सिंगिंग द कोरस ऑफ बैना टुगेदर एंड it just makes it so amazing. Like, that's the part that I always wait for whenever I start listening to this song. And in this part, for the chorus part, the song is also featuring a Qawwali group, and it's their contribution, I think, which makes the whole thing even much more powerful. I really enjoy watching like the video of all these musicians performing together. It's just so great to watch. मेरा second favorite part is गाने का है when the veena comes in at about 4 minutes, and it's just so beautiful and so delicate. Next, I want to talk about two of my favorite pieces from A.R. Rahman's episode in Coke Studio India's season 3. The first is called Zarya, and this song has done a great job of portraying so many diverse and different musical cultures, and of course A.R. Rahman has done an amazing job of bringing all these different elements together. And the entire musician lineup for this song is amazing. It features a Buddhist monk singer, a Jordanian singer, it has Mohini Dey on bass, it has Sivamani on percussions and drum, it has A.R. Rahman performing himself, and so many more such amazing people in the whole lineup. I love how the song transitions throughout, and it's just again a very playful song to listen to, and towards the end all these different elements are like at their most, I would say, happiest and like highest point, and all of them are in unison. I just love listening to this song so much. The next song from A.R. Rahman's episode that I really like is Naan Yen, and this is a Tamil song, and I love such songs where even if you don't understand the lyrics, it still touches you and it still sounds so amazing, not just to the person who understands what is being sung. And the lyrics for this song have been taken from the late Tamil poet Valley's work, and even the explanation, like the meaning of the song is so beautiful. It's talking about the meaning of existence, and if you're interested in knowing more about like what this song is, I think the translation for the lyrics have been given in the description of this song. This song is also featuring A.R. Rahman's sister Rihanna, and she's the one who starts the song, and it also has A.R. Rahman singing, so of course the song has to be amazing. Lastly, I want to talk about two of my absolute favorite songs from Coke Studio Pakistan. The first is called Aankhon Ke Sagar. Almost 6 years of listening to this song, it still never failed to give me goosebumps. This song was featured in season 2 of Coke Studio Pakistan and has Shafqat Amanat Ali as the lead singer. His voice is so delicate and so soulful, and it's the highlight of the song. And of course, if I can't imagine having any other singer than him, because his voice just touches me so much. This song also is, I think, one of my all-time favorite romantic songs, and me trying to describe it is not going to do much justice to it. So in case you have not heard it already, please do go listen to it. My next favorite song from Coke Studio Pakistan is called Sari Raat, and it is featuring the Pakistani rock band Noori. This song has so many emotions in it, from anger, sorrow, joy, love, and all these different elements are blended so beautifully. Right from the sitar intro to Ali Noor's voice, who's the lead singer, and how his voice transitions throughout the song, like as the song goes on. So he is singing the same part throughout, but it starts with him singing it in a very melancholic and low manner, and then next he would change that same part. He would sing it in a more lighter and louder manner, and then towards the end of the song, it almost sounds like it's a very happy song, but if you look at the lyrics, it's maybe not. And the transition is just so amazing, and this song definitely will take your emotions on a roller coaster ride. So these were some of my absolute favorite Coke Studio songs, and all of these songs have such beautiful lyrics, and I think you can find all the lyrics and the translations in each of the song descriptions, at least for Coke Studio India, and all of them are based on such a beautiful concept. I would love to know what are some of your favorite Coke Studio songs of all time, and I'll be back next week with another recommendation.